Okay. What is our topic last meeting? Okay. Anyone?
Sir, area.
Okay. We have your area and perimeter. Okay. How do we compute for the area of a square? Okay. Area of a square. Okay. You have your A, side A. Since this is a square, same sila ng side. Okay. Area is A times A. Okay. Or A squared, or your side A. Okay. How about a rectangle?
Sir, base times the altitude.
Okay. Base times the altitude or your height. Okay. Base times height. How about a right triangle? Ah, how about a right triangle? Okay, you have your base, you have your height.
Base times height over 2.
Okay, it's 1/2 base times height. Okay, what if it's a trapezoid? Okay, you have your base 1, base 2, and your height. Okay. Okay, what is the area? You have base 1 plus base 2 all over 2 times your height.
Times height.
Okay? So, ano pang mga diniscuss natin? Heron's formula. What is Heron's formula? Area of any triangles given ka side A, B, C. You are given 3 sides. The area is equals to your square root ng S multiplied by S minus A, S minus B, and S minus C. Okay? Oh, yan. Okay? Ano yung S? S is A plus B plus C all over 2. Okay? So, yan lang. Heron's formula. Okay? Perimeter. What is perimeter? Anyone? Perimeter is the total length of your edge. Okay? Let's say you have W length. Total length sa gilid. Okay? Edge. Okay? Kapag circle, you have circumference. Okay? 2 pi r. Okay? Area of a circle, pi r squared. Okay? Or pi all over 4 the diameter square. Okay? So that was our topic last meeting, or your module 2, area and perimeter. Now we will talk about your volume. Okay? Or solids. Ano nga ba yung solids? Okay? Kung sa area 2D, dito is 3D. 3-dimensional. Okay? Okay, let's proceed. Solid is any limited portions of space bounded by a surface. Okay? A section. Ano ang section? Okay, section of a solid is the plane figure cut from the solid by passing a plane through it. Or, yung nakikita natin kapag hahatiin natin siya sa gitna. Okay? Next, what is a polyhedron? Okay, a solid bounded by planes. Okay? The edges of a polyhedron are the intersections of the bounding planes. Okay? So, ano yung mga faces natin? Okay? Faces, for example, meron kang cellphone. Okay? Yung nakikita nyo na screen, that is one face. Okay? Yung sa likod niya, another face. Then, dun sa gilid niya is another faces. Okay? So, in short, it is the surface area. Okay? And face. Surface area of a polygon. So, let's proceed with your cube. Okay? A cube is a polyhedron whose 6 faces are all squares. Okay? Yan. Example of a cube. Okay? Dice. Mga ganyan. Okay? Same sizes. Okay? The properties, you have the 3 dimensions of a cube are all equal to each other. Okay? Therefore, all edges are equal. Okay? Ano yung mga 3 dimensions natin? You have your ano yung 3 dimensions? You have your ano yung mga yun? Okay. 3 dimensions, you have your width, you have your length, then third is your altitude or your height. Okay, those are the 3 dimensions. Doon sa cube, it is said that all dimensions are equal. Okay? So, kapag kukuha ka ng volume, it is the area multiplied by your height. Okay? What is the area for a square? You have a squared. Okay? What is the height? Okay? Since same sila, this is A, this is A. Okay? Therefore, your height is A. Okay, 4A cubed. Or simply, volume is equals to A cubed. Okay? A cubed. Okay, how about the total area? Okay, kapag tinanong yung total area it is simply 6 sides. Okay? Meron kang 6 sides sa cube. Okay? Oh. Okay? First is ito. 1, 2, okay? Yung sa likod, 3, 4, okay? 4 na yon. Then we have yung sa bottom, 5, and 6. Okay? So, there are 6 faces. Okay? Each of the faces, area nun is A squared. Okay? Kaya 6 multiplied by A squared. Okay. Let's proceed with your problem example. How much material was used in the manufacture of 24,000 celluloid dies if each die has an edge of 1/4 inch squared? Okay? So, paano yan? What is a celluloid dies? What is a celluloid dies? Okay, you have your sa TV. Okay, on your TV. Okay, so meron tayong, ano yung given natin? Oh, nagsarado yung PDF. Okay. What is the given? You have the side of yung edge. Tama? A is equals to 1/4 inch. Okay? So, from there, you compute the volume. How much material was used in the manufacture of a 24,000? So, volume A cube, or simply 1/4 raised to 3. Okay, that is 1 all over 4 times 4 times 4 is 64 cubic inch. Okay, multiplied by 24,000. Okay, so the total is
375 inches squared. Ay, cube.
375 inch cube. Okay, so that is your answer. Okay, next, problem number 2. What is the weight of a block of ice, 24 inch by 24 inch by 24 inch. If weighs 92% as much as water. Okay? And water weighs 6.5 pounds per cubic feet. Okay? Tama ba ako? 62.5. Okay? Ito, 62.5 per cubic feet. Okay? So, what are your given? Okay, you have your side is 24 inch. Okay? Then, water, ice, weight of ice is 92% of water. Okay? Weight of your water. Okay? What is the weight of water? You have 62.5 pounds per cubic feet. Okay? So, anong gagawin natin? Okay? Compute for the volume of ice. A volume of ice. Okay, you have A cube or 24 inch cube. Okay? Since yung water natin is per cubic feet, okay, kailangan nating i-cancel out yun. Okay? In order to do that, we convert your inch into feet. Okay? So 12 inch is to 1 feet. Okay? Then cube. Okay, what is the answer?
8 feet cube.
8 cubic feet or feet cube. Okay? So, that is the volume of ice. Okay? Ngayon, i-multiply natin siya sa water. Okay? 8 feet cubic feet. Okay? Multiplied by 92% or 0.92 of your water. 62.5 pounds per cubic feet. Okay? Cancel out yung cubic feet, you are left with pounds. So, ilan yung answer? Ilan yung weight of ice? Anyone? What is the weight of...
460
Okay, 460 pounds.
pounds.
Okay? So, that is your answer. 460 pounds. Third, okay? Find the volume and the total area of the largest cube of wood that can be cut from a log of circular cross-section whose radius is 12.7 inch. Okay? Okay, paano yan? We have your radius of 12.7 inch, or your diameter is 12.7 inch times 2.
Sir, 25.4.
Okay, 25.4 inch. Okay, for your diameter. Okay, sabi niya, meron kang log na ganyan. Okay, tapos sa loob is gagawa tayo ng square or cube. Okay, so how do we compute for the cube? Dun sa loob. Okay, what is volume? Diba? Area times height. Okay, in this case, kunin mo muna yung area ng square. Okay, the diameter is 25.4 inch. Okay, how do we solve for side A? Okay, we have 25.4. Okay, then side A and A. Using Pythagorean theorem, a squared plus b squared is equals to c squared. Okay, what is your a squared? A squared. What is your b? You have a then. Okay, it's equals to 25.4 quantity squared, or square root of 2a squared is equals to 25.4. So what is a? What is a? Tama ba ako? Square root both side? Oh, mali pala. A. Oh. Square root ng 25.4 squared divided by 2. Okay, we have a squared is equals to square root 25.4 squared all over 2. Okay, a is calculator.
$3.56.
3.56. Sure? Paki-solve ulit. Square root of 25.4 squared all over 2.
17.96.
Yan, 17.96 inch. Okay, so you can now solve for area. 17.96 squared. Okay, pwede mo na ding idiretso dun sa volume. Okay, since this is a cube, okay, hinahanap natin times your height is 17.96. Okay, so what is the volume. It is ano yung volume? Volume is 17.96 raised to 3.
Sir,
Yes.
5,793.20.
93.21 cubic
Ayan.
inch. Okay? By the way, kapag magsosolve tayo, we will be using 2 decimal places. Okay? Para pare-parehas kayo. 2 decimal places. Okay, so that is computation of a cube. Okay? Volume times your volume is equals to your area multiplied by height. Okay? Next is a rectangular parallelepiped, or same din lang to. Okay? Same din, base times height, or your area multiplied by your height. Okay? So, how about total area? Ganon din. Yung face nito, area na itong face na to, plus area nung face sa likod, okay? Plus yung area dito sa gilid, okay? Plus area dito. Then, area sa taas and area sa baba. That is your total area. Total surface area. Okay? So, let's proceed. Okay? Problem number 1. Compute the cost of the lumber necessary to resurface a footbridge 16 feet wide and 150 feet long with 2-inch planks. Yan. 2-inch planks daw gagamitin natin. If the lumber is $40 per 1,000 board feet. Okay, neglect weighs 1 board feet is equals to 1 by 1 by 1 inch. Okay? Simple lang to. We compute your total volume dito. Yung footbridge. Ano yung total volume of footbridge? Okay? You have 16 feet. 16 feet by 150 feet. Okay? Then your height is 2 inch. Okay? Convert 2 inch into feet para pare-parehas sila. Okay? You have 12 inches is to 1 feet. Okay? Or 6 feet in total. Okay? Compute. Volume. Okay? Area dun sa baba. What is yung area? You have 16 and 150. Okay, 150 feet multiplied by your height. Okay. By the way, be careful dun sa signages ninyo. always check your sign kung pare-parehas sila. Okay? Do not multiply kapag magkaiba sila ng units. Okay? So, ilan yung volume?
Sir, 14,400.
14,400 cubic feet. Okay? Next. How do we compute for the cost? Okay? So, multiply natin to. Anong sabi niya? $40 per 1,000 board okay, board feet. Lagay na lang natin BFT. Okay? In order to cancel out one board feet, gamitin natin yung ito. 1 feet by 1 feet by 1 inch. Okay? So, 1 board feet, BFT, is equals to 1 feet by 1 feet by 1 inch. What is 1 inch? 1 all over 12. Tama ba ako? 1 inch multiplied by 1 feet all over 12 inch to cancel out. Okay? So, final answer. Okay, magiging cubic feet to Cancel out your cubic feet, cancel out board feet. Ilan yung sagot? Ilan na? Hello? Gutom na ba kayo? Mali pala to 1 all over 6. So this is 400 lang. Okay. 2 divided by 12 is 1/6. Hindi siya 6. Okay. 400 lang siya. So, what is your answer? 576. Tama ba yan? Paki-pan ulit. Use your calculator para mabilis. Answer is $192. Okay. Okay, so that is computation number 1, problem number 1. Problem number 2. Okay? A packing box 2.2 feet by 4.9 feet by 5.5 feet is to be okay. Okay. So, dito na tayo. Okay, a packing box 2.2 feet by 4.9 feet by 5.5 feet is to be completely covered with tin. How many square feet of the metal are needed? So, ang tinatanong niya dito is your total area or your surface area. Okay? How to compute for your surface area? Okay? You have 2 multiplied by 2.2 feet by 4.9 feet. Okay? Plus 2 multiplied by 4.9 times, hindi na nakita, 5.5 feet plus 2 times 2.2 times 5.5 feet. Okay? Start tayo dun sa una. Okay? What is the value?
Sir, 21.56.
Okay, 21.56. Yung second,
Sir, 53.9.
Okay, then yung next,
Sir, 24.2.
okay. Then yung total area, 99.66. Okay. Next, number 3. A tank open at the top is made of sheet iron 1 inch thick. Okay? The internal dimensions of the tank are 4 feet 8 inch long, 3 feet 6 inch wide, 4 feet 4 inch deep. Okay? Find the weight of the tank when empty and find the weight when full of salt water. Okay? Salt water weighs 64 pounds per cubic feet and iron is 7.2 times as heavy as salt water. Okay? So first is write your given. Okay? What are your givens? You have your dimensions sa interior. What is your width, length, and height? Interior. Ayan. Internal dimensions of the tank. 4 feet, 8 inch. 3 feet. Baliktad pala. Sabi niya dito is 3 feet 0.6 inch wide. So, W is 3 feet. 0.6 inch. Okay. Length is 4 feet 8 inch. 4 feet 8 inch. Okay, then depth or your height is 4 feet 4 inch. Okay. First thing you do is change into a single unit. Okay. So, gawin natin siyang feet. Okay. So, multiply natin yung 6 inch into 1 all over 12. Okay. 1 feet is to 12 inch. In order to cancel out inch, matitira yung feet. Okay. Same din dito. 1 over 12 and 1 all over 12. Okay. 3 feet 4 feet 4 feet. Okay. 6 divided by 12.
2, sir.
6 divided by 12.
1/2.
1/2 feet. Okay. 8 divided by 12.
0.66 or 0.67. Ay, nabot.
1/3 feet. O kaya, tama ba ako? 8 all over 12 is 2/3 pala. Okay, or 0.667. Okay. Okay. Oh, ayun na. 2/3. Okay. Then we have 4 all over 12. It's 1/3 feet. Okay. Kindly add ito. 3 plus 1/2. 3 plus 1/2.
3.5.
3.5. Okay. 4 plus 2/3. 4.67.
67.
2 decimal places. Okay. 4 plus 1/3.
4.33.
Okay, 4.33. Okay. So, we now have your dimensions. Okay. I-rewrite ko lang dito para meron tayong space. Okay. This is 3.5, 4.67, and 4.33. Okay. So, may nalito na ba doon or gets pa naman doon? Okay. Kinonvert lang natin siya into feet. Next. Okay. Internal dimension yon. Okay. How about the external dimension? Okay. Kung isipin natin, ito yung tank. Okay. Then, internal, we have here. nakaganyan. Okay. Okay, then dito, hindi ko alam kung naintindihan nyo pa yung drawing. Ayan. Sa interior. Okay. Okay. So, interior yon. So, kapag exterior, dito, okay, sabi niya 1 inch thick. Okay, so meron kang 1 inch dito or 1 all over 12 feet. Then dito is 1 all over 12 feet. Okay? Gets? Same din dito. For your, ito yung length natin, 4.67. Oh, hindi na maintindihan. Okay. Dito, yung length na to is your width. Okay? Width, tapos yung sa exterior niya, meron kang 1/2 and 1 all over 12. Okay? Oh, how about yung height? Anong idadagdag natin? Okay? Dalawa ba na iron sheet or isa lang? Okay. In this case, open yun sa taas. So, naka-flush yan. Okay? Ang meron lang is yung sa baba. So, 1 all over 12. Okay? Then, your height. Okay? Oh. Saan na tayo? Okay? Let's compute. Okay? Alam na natin kung anong idadagdag. Okay? Parang sabi natin kanina doon sa width. Okay? Dito is interior. And ito is exterior dimensions. Okay. Width is 3.5 feet plus dalawang 1 over 12. Okay. For your length, same din, 4.67 plus 1 over 12 plus 1 over 12. Then, for your height, isa lang yung idadagdag natin. Okay, 4.33 plus 1 over 12. Okay. Anong sagot? For your width, anong sagot?
Sir, 3.67.
3 ilan?
67, sir. Since na-round up yung point.
Okay, 3.67. 0.67. How about dito? 4.67.
Sir, 21. Ay,
Mataas ata yung 21.
sir, 4.84.
4.84. Okay, dun sa huli.
Sir, 5.13.
Ilan?
5.13.
5.13. 4.33 plus 1 over 12 lang. Isa lang siya. Ilan?
4.41, sir.
4.41.
4.41. Okay? Rewrite ko lang ulit. Okay? Para may space lang tayo dito. Okay? So, kailangan nyo dito ng malaking pagsolvan na bond paper. 4.84 and 4.41. Okay? Oh. Okay? We can now compute for your thickness. Okay? Yung itsura ng volume natin. Okay? It is simply yung alin? Volume ng exterior, volume of exterior minus volume of interior. Okay? What is your volume of exterior? 3.67 multiplied by 4.84 plus multiplied by 4.41. Volume of exterior.
Sir, 78.33.
78.33. How about interior? Ito naman.
Sir, 70.78.
70.78.
Hi.
Or 70.77.
Ay, sir, hindi po ba mararound up?
70.77, sir.
Okay, kasi 3 yung kasunod niya. Okay, kapag 5 or greater, magra-round up ka. Okay?
Ayaw ba?
Okay?
Sorry, sir.
Okay. Okay lang yan. Review. 78.33 minus 70.77. Ilan? Volume
Sir,
of your
7.
7.56.
7.56.
Okay. Anong unit natin? Okay.
Cubic feet.
Cubic feet. Okay, kasi feet ito yung ginawa natin. Okay. Kung gusto nyong inches, okay lang naman. Okay. So, meron na tayong volume. Okay. So, sabi niya, 64, water weighs 64 pounds per cubic feet and iron is 7.2 times as heavy as salt water. Okay? Anong hinahanap? Weight of tank, empty. Okay? Wala pang volume of water. Okay? Volume empty is equals to ito 7.56 cubic feet multiplied by 7.2 times daw ng 64 pounds per cubic feet. Okay. So maka-cancel yung unit natin dito. Matitira pounds. Ilan yung total weight? Weight pala to, weight. Hindi volume. Weight, empty. Ilan?
$3,483.65 Pounds.
3,483.65 pounds. Okay? First. Okay? Then second, find the weight when full of salt water. Okay? Anong volume natin sa interior? 70.77. Tama? Okay, using that weight ng water, okay, salt water is 70.77 inside ng container multiplied by kano kabigat? 64 pounds per cubic feet. Okay? Answer. You have ilan?
4,529.28.
29.28. Okay? 4529.28. Okay? So, in order to determine yung total weight, we simply add yung weight nung iron or your empty, weight kapag empty plus weight nung tubig, salt water. Okay? Add 3,483.65. So, ilan?
Sir, 8012.93.
0.93 pounds. Okay. So, that is your answer. So, madaming process kapag ganyan. Okay. Kailangan mo lang intindihin yung figure. Okay. Once na nakuha mo na yung figure, okay, pwede mo nang isolve yung volume. Okay? Madali na siyang intindihin sa volume. Okay. Last. Okay? An electric refrigerator is built in the form of a rectangular parallelepiped. The inside dimension are 3 feet, 2.6 feet by 1.8 feet. A freezing unit 1.1 feet by 0.8 feet by 0.7 feet subtracts, so minus daw, from the storage room of the box. So find the capacity of the refrigerator. Okay, so meron tayong inside refrigerator, sabi niya. So, ito na yung inside na dimension. Okay. Then, meron tayong freezing. Sabi niya, freezing unit sa loob. So, ima-minus lang natin yung unit na yun. Okay, yung volume na yun. So, how do we solve? First, volume ng total. Okay? Inside dimension. 3 feet by 2.6 feet by 1.8 feet. Okay? Ilan?
Sir, 14.04.
14.04 cubic feet. Okay? Tapos sabi niya, isusubtract natin yung susubtract natin yung freezing unit. So, minus the volume of your freezing unit. So, ano yung freezing unit natin? Volume. 1.1 by 0.8 by 0.7.
Sir, 0.18.
0.18 cubic feet. Okay, so minus na natin 14.04 minus 0.18.
Sir, 13.86.
13.86 cubic feet. Okay? Yan lang. Okay? So, that is how you compute for the volume of a rectangular parallelepiped. Okay? Okay, nagugutom na ba kayo?
Medyo.
Ako, pare-parehas lang tayo. Okay, next is your Cavalier's theorem. Ano ibig sabihin ng theorem na to? Okay? If in two solids of equal altitude, same sila ng height, okay? The section made by planes parallel to and at the same distance, okay? Yung section na to, at this point, same distance or same length, height, okay? Dito, from their respective bases are always equal. Okay? Kapag nag-equal yon yung section dito tsaka section doon, then same height, ibig sabihin yung volume natin are equal. Okay? Second, volume theorem. If the bases of a solid are equal, yung base natin, yung area natin sa baba, equal daw, and lie in parallel planes, okay? And every section, so kahit anong point dito, okay, same sila, is equal in the area. So, same sila ng area, yung section dito, kahit anong point, same dito, then their volume is equal. Okay? Okay. So, yun lang. Let's try. The solid represented has a square base of edge A in parallel planes, and every section of the solid parallel to the bases, okay, is a square of edge A. If its altitude is h, find its volume. Okay, so ito ata yung figure na yon, iba yung nailagay. So how do we solve for its volume? Simply area of your base times height. Okay, so volume is equals to your area of the base or kahit anong section multiplied by your height. Okay. So kahit anong figure niya, same pa rin. Area times height. Okay, so long as your section is the same. Okay. A rectangular A by B moves with one of its points on the circumference of a semicircle of radius A, okay, and keeps perpendicular to the bounding diameter of the given semicircle. Find the volume of the solid it generates. So, ganito yung figure niya. Okay? Meron kang rectangle daw. Okay? Then, nag-move yung, let's say, itong side na to ng semicircle. Okay? Since nag-move doon, mag-move din dyan. Okay? Oh. Okay? Ganyan. Okay? You have your radius dito is A. So, this is 2A. Okay? No. Okay? Then, ano pa given? A by B. Okay? Dito is A by B. Okay? So, what is your volume? Okay? A times B, which is your area multiplied by the height. Ano yung height natin? 2A. Okay? Therefore, you have 2A squared B. Okay? So, ganun lang. So, say, kahit magbago yung shape niya, same pa rin yung gagawin nating pag-solve for the volume. Okay? How about a prism? Eh, paano ka naman kapag prism? Okay? A prism is a polyhedron of which two faces are equal polygons. Okay? In parallel planes. So, dito, yung equal faces niya is yung sa taas tsaka sa baba. Okay? And the other faces are parallelogram. So, hindi na siya same yung shape. Okay? Hindi na siya same yung area nung nandito. Okay? Yung gilid niya. So, ganun lang siya. Formula is, ito, lateral area is lateral edges. Okay? Lateral edges, ito. Ito. Ang height niyan, multiplied by perimeter of right section. Okay? So, height nito, yung edge nito, multiplied by your perimeter doon sa taas. Okay? Your total distance doon sa taas. O kaya doon sa baba. Okay? Basta perimeter of your base. Okay? So, volume, same pa rin. Base times height. Okay? Yan. Meron din tayong naidagdag, right section multiplied by lateral edge. Okay. Problem number 1. One part of a quartz crystals is a hexagonal prism. Okay, with right section of 1.29 square inch, an edge of 2.32 inch, and a base of 1.41 square inch. Find the altitude of the prism, or hinahanap is your height. Okay? Try natin. Okay? What is your given? You have your base. Area of the base is 1.41 square inch. Okay? You have right section. Okay? Denoted by K. Right section is 1.29 square inch. And lateral edge is 2.32 inch or square inch. Okay? How do we determine? We have your formula, which is the area at the base times the height, and your right section multiplied by lateral edge. Okay? Since these are both V or your volume, we can equate PH is equals to KE. Okay? Divide both side by B. Okay? Para yung matira is yung altitude lang or your height lang sa left side. Okay? Then, substitute natin. What is your K? 1.29 multiplied by 2.32 divided by your B, which is 1.41 inch squared. Okay, this is inch squared, this is inch. Okay, cancel out yung inch squared. So what is your height?
Yung 2.12.
2.12 inch. Okay. Tama ba? O, tama na yan. Ayoko na mag-solve eh. Kayang-kaya nyo na yan. Okay, number 2. A throw is formed by nailing together, edge to edge, two boards 11 feet in length, so that the right section is a right triangle. If 15 gallons of water are poured into the throw, and if the throw is held level so that a right section of the water is an isosceles triangle, okay, how deep is the water? Okay, how about this? Paano natin solve? Okay, sabi niya meron tayong throw of, what is this, 90 degrees yung sa right section niya. Okay, filled with water. Okay, this is 11 feet, sabi niya, at 11 feet. Okay, if 15 gallons, so volume is 15 gallons given. Okay, then convert natin. 1 gallon is 231 cubic inch. Okay, so ano na, multiplied natin para maging feet. Okay, 12 inch is to 1 feet cube. Okay, what is now your volume? Ilan yung volume? What is the volume? 2.01 cubic feet. Okay? So, from there, hahanapin natin kaano nga ba kataas yung water. Okay? Yan. Okay? Kano kataas yung water? How do we determine? First, find tong length na to, which is A. Okay? So, what is the area dito sa base na to? Yung triangle. It is 1/2 base times the height. Okay? Balik ta rin natin. Tabingihin natin. A. Right triangle. Okay? So, 1/2 A squared. Okay? Substitute. Your volume is equals to your area, which is 1/2 A squared multiplied by 11 feet. Okay? Your volume is 2.01. Solve for A. .01. Okay. Cross multiply natin yung 2. We have 2. Divide both side by 11. Okay. A squared. So, square root. We have A is equals to anyone? A is 0.37.
37.
Tama ba? 0.37? 0.60 60
0.6.
feet. Okay? Okay. So, from there, we use, ano lang gagawin natin? Okay. Meron ka ng A, value of A. So, balik tayo dun sa triangle ninyo. Okay. Balik tayo dito sa triangle natin dito. We have, okay, pwede ba nating hatiin to? Then this is 45 degrees. Tama? 45. Then yung sa kabila is also 45 degrees. Okay? I-equal siya sa 90. So this is your A. Okay? So, using that triangle, 45 degrees A. 45. 45. Okay? So, katuwa. Tama? Familiar kayo? Cosine. Adjacent all over cosine of theta is equals to adjacent ng angle which is H all over your A.
Right.
Okay? So, A cosine 45 degrees. Okay? 0.60 cosine 45 degrees. We now have your height equals to Ayan. Zero point 42 feet. Okay, so that is your final answer. Okay, so any questions? So since late na, hindi ko na isosolve tong number 3. Then tomorrow, we'll discuss your prism, cylinder. Okay, cylindrical surface and cylinder. Okay. So any question? Any question? Wala? Pare-parehas na tayong gutom. Okay, see you tomorrow.
Thank you, sir.
Okay,
Thank you, sir.
okay, bye.